Welcome to 2plot.media. This is an extension of, I guess, a network of applications that I am building out. 2plot.media serves the purpose of acting as well a video editor for me. It's going to collaborate with AI, and I'm going to kind of use it as a tool to allow me to create interesting videos that hopefully make my videography better, because I'm not really that good at a video editor, and I know my skill sets, and being the video editor is definitely not one. So there's a few things that I'm trying out here, and I'll kind of dive into that. Let's go into a different video editor, something that's a little unique, and I've kind of touched on this a little bit, but this is a map video editor. So how this works is you have this map that's in the right-hand corner, and you could basically create scenes. And how you can go about creating a scene is wherever you're at within the map, that's the specific viewport that your director is pointing his camera, okay? So if you wanted to like create something out of nothing, all right, let's just kind of generate one with AI. I have this template section, and it can kind of give us a head start. So for this, we can go over to preview and we can kind of see what this head start is. And I can kind of pull this up so you can kind of see the individual scenes. But I created this little timeline component that's pretty useful. So if I press play, then you can get an idea of how this works. Each individual clip is a scene, and it will basically direct the map to go through the individual scenes. So if I want to change anything, for instance, I wanted to change this one, I could add a background to it. I'll just make it black so that's easy to see. And I could go over to sprites, because I started uploading a bunch of different sprites. I think that this one would be a pretty good fish market lady. So we'll kind of put her right here, and we can rotate. I could go up, and I could basically add anything. So like, let's just go over here. We'll add a video clip of, I guess, the logo to this application. And if I just want to drag it in here, I can drag it in here, and I can just put this right here, and then I can update scene. So if I go back over to the preview, right, and it will continue to go through the first scene, okay? And then the second scene is all the changes that I just made. Pretty neat, huh? So like I said, you could double click and then you'll get thrown into an existing scene, and then you can update it like that. So if I wanted to update that, alternatively, any new scene will just get created, and you kind of get an idea of the trajectory of how the Chromium keys are kind of following through what is this director kind of shot. So yeah. With that, what you do is you can basically create a title, you can create it public or private, and then you can save it. And whenever you save it, it gets brought up to what is the scenes. This is just one to kind of give you an idea. You can kind of play it, and it will go through, then it will go to this next scene, and then a follow-up scene. But yeah. So just to kind of give you a glimpse. So let's go into the new thing, which is the video editor. I think this is pretty neat. I'll do something small because I don't want to make it too long. But I added this video. I'll just put that in here. And as you can see, it's just a little video. See if it has sound. Yeah, a little bit of sounds. Looks good. All right, so let's just kind of add some stuff. All right, I'm just going to start dumping a few things in here just to kind of show you how this works. So here's one. This is a picture. I can just put that picture on top of the video wherever I want it. And then if I move my camera out real quick, but yeah, you could basically change when it comes into view and how it comes into view, so it's literally that simple. So, it takes multiple videos, multiple pictures. You could put GIFs directly on top of it, and you could just resize, move around, just click on it and rotate or put however you'd like, So whenever you're done, then we can just name it. So I can just say test video official release. And then I will save and publish, and we will watch as it goes through this. So what it's doing is it's taking screenshots of the midway points between the actual upload or the creation of this video that is 7 seconds or whatever. But there really isn't a cap on how long it could be, and there is a lot kind of put forth to structure it so that it retains a lot of information. And ideally, I'd like to introduce like a whisper type of getting the markdown of an actual audio, so that I can use AI to kind of dictate different areas within the video and be able to collaborate a little bit better. But as you can see, it just finished, and here it is. As you kind of upload there, you just hover over it, you can kind of see the clip. But yeah, let's watch it. It's a stupid video, but the whole process is that's the hard part that nobody understands how to do. And what I've done here and what I'm doing with a lot of my applications is I'm playing the best game of baseball, and I think I'm pretty good at what is the stack. But practically, what I am doing is I'm just kind of taking the heavy lifting processing and I'm putting it in pools, and I'm kind of using these tools so that the front end is really fast, and then I'm offloading as much as possible. So like the video and the media, it will get sent over to buckets and Cloudflare, and I'm just kind of rearranging how I am storing and processing information. So yeah, with that, this is the introduction to what is 2plot media. I hope that you found this interesting. This is still early stages, but I'm excited to share this video and kind of tell you about this. So yeah, with that, tell me what you'd like to see in your own little video editor, and how would you kind of build this out for your own workflows. And yeah, help me get some ideas so I can make this a little bit better. But yeah, with that, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one.